credit score is used when you apply for a credit card. There's over 50 types of credit scores, but which one is used when you apply for a credit card? The number one score used is the most common to look at, which is the FICO Score 8. And even with newer models such as FICO Score 10 and FICO Score 10T, those ones are definitely not as common as the FICO Score 8 score, which has been around for years. This is also the free score that you can see on your Discover app. This is a free score you can see on Experian.com, and generally the one that most people use when they're referencing what their credit score is. And although you can see this score maybe on Experian, it's important to understand what it looks like on Equifax and TransUnion, because banks and credit unions can use any combination of all three, just one, or even two of the current credit scores you have when you apply for credit cards. For example, if you apply for something like a Chase credit card, that might pull Experian. However, if you apply for a Capital One credit card, they usually pull each of the three credit scores. Never apply for an auto loan at a car dealership that's going to hit you with 10, 20, or even 30 hard inquiries. Make sure you have at least a credit card and loan on your report, and keep accounts open to increase your average age of accounts, which counts as 15% of your score. And last but not least, never ever miss a late payment. A single late payment can drop your credit score as much as 50 to 100 points and make it feel like you're never going to get back to having a good credit score ever again. Of course, if that does happen, or you have things like a collection, a charge off, or a repossession, those are things, again, you need to get removed off your credit report, or simply wait 7 years for those accounts to naturally fall off to have any hope of having a really good 750 or higher FICO 8 bank card score.